Hello Aquarius, how are you? Welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your general reading for July 2020. It could be related to money, job, career, love situation, or any other aspect of your life. So let's see what the cards have in store. Ten of Pentacles. It is talking about again family, money. Lot of few of your other zodiacs have also got this. It's about family money. Either you are investing your family money or expanding your family business, or you are buying or selling. Maybe you are buying a house or selling a house, which is a family, or it could be an inheritance issue. So basically talks about expansion and growth of family money and business. Some of you might start working in your family business. And also you maybe some of you are saving money for your family for the future. So basically it's laying strong foundation for your family, and you're working towards that. Now we have the Chariot card. So travel, yes, I feel forward movement and travel. So there is travel for some of you. It could be related to work, it could be related to love, it could be related to a partnership situation, but there is forward movement. Also, it's a long distance travel comparatively. So here one more is that you are moving forward. Moving forward could also be, either you're taking an idea or a project, or a you're for the job you're moving. So it's about taking the idea forward, or you started acting towards that idea and you're taking the situation forward. So basically forward movement, very well thought, very balanced idea that you are taking it forward. So finally there is forward movement for some of you. It could resonate with your situation, or your career situation, or a business situation, maybe a partnership going forward, or maybe in a relationship, you want to take this relationship to the next level. So it talks about different ways, the way it resonates with you, you take it. Three of Cups. Celebration of some kind. You're celebrating with friends and family, or friends coming together. So maybe a partnership deal has happened for some of you, or there is a marriage or the relationship going to the next level. So some of you are celebrating. Maybe also a love situation. There you were expecting a yes from someone, and it has just come from your desired person. So there could be celebration. So it's basically a card of celebration. Then we have Six of Rods. So victory for regarding something for some of you. So you either you were waiting for a news or a communication, and it has come, and that has made you feel victorious, or you make you happy the way you wanted. It has come, and you are it talks about victory, it could be related to your work. You got a promotion, or you have been assigned a bigger role, or you got a bonus, or you get hike in your salary. So it could be different for different of you, but it's generally a victory card for you Aquarius. Now, Page of Rods. Page of Rods is a communication or a message coming. Basically, usually it's a love card, but when we're doing general readings, it could be also related to your money and finances or job situation. So you are, trying to, a message or a communication is coming, or you are trying to put out a message to someone. So it's about communication basically, to and fro. It could be any ways, like vice versa. So it's so this month is about family, buying, selling, and investing, and travel, for some of you, and celebration in the family of some kind, and a victory for some of you in your different situation that it resonates, Aquarius. So I'll just pull out one more card from the deck, bottom of the deck, and we'll see what you, sorry, just let me pick up. So we'll pick up one card. The Empress. Empress is a beautiful card. So it shows that you feel, Aquarius, very much, you're in a balanced, kind, gentle, loving situation you feel for yourself during July, and you feel abundance, prosperity. Also, it could feel that it could be that some of you are could have a baby. I mean, those who are expecting could have a baby, because this card talks about fertility. So, good card for you, Aquarius. All the best. So, if you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.